Welcome to 718 Malibu Lane. This home is paradise, located just over the London Bridge. Featuring a desirable open floor plan with tile throughout, this home welcomes you with the sense of spaciousness and versatility. The seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas creates an inviting atmosphere for entertaining and everyday living. Boasting 1,245 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this home provides ample space for comfortable living. It's the perfect place to call home. Natural lighting floods the interior, accentuating the beauty of the space and creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Plus, this property is equipped with owned solar panels. This is where your island dreams find their home. Call me today to schedule to see this home yourself. Amy King with the A-Team at Coldwell Banker, 928-230-4526.